Hello Kiruthika, please pick the call, someone is waiting for you. Hello Kiruthika, please pick the call, someone is waiting